In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off cookies on your GoDaddy website. Whether you're concerned about privacy, compliance, or just want to streamline the visitor experience on your site, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, head over to the GoDaddy homepage. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Give that a click. This is your gateway to accessing your GoDaddy account and ultimately the settings of your website. Next up, you're going to need to enter your GoDaddy username and password. Take a moment to double check your credentials before you proceed. Remember, this information is sensitive, so make sure you're entering it accurately and that your connection is secure. Once you've entered your login details, go ahead and click the Sign In button again. This should take you directly to your account dashboard, where all your GoDaddy services are listed. Now, let's get to the crux of the matter. From your dashboard, you're looking for the website option. This could be represented by an icon or simply as a text link. Click on it to move forward. Within the website section, you're going to see an option to edit website. This is where things start to get a little more exciting. Clicking here will take you directly to the editor for your website, where you can make various changes to how your site looks and operates. Once your website editor has loaded, it's time to navigate to the settings area. On some layouts, this might appear as a gear icon or under a menu, so keep your eyes peeled. The settings area is where you can customize various aspects of your site, including the privacy settings we're interested in today. Now, within settings, you're looking for the cookie banner option. This might require a bit of scrolling depending on how your settings menu is laid out, but it shouldn't be too hard to find. After you've located and clicked on the cookie banner setting, you're faced with a few different options. Look for the one that's labeled Show Cookie Notification and toggle that to the off position. This will stop the cookie notification banner from appearing to visitors on your site, making for a cleaner, uninterrupted experience. But we're not quite done yet. While you're still in the cookie settings, you'll see another option for advanced tracking. This feature usually enables more detailed tracking of visitor behavior on your site. If you're looking to maximize privacy and minimize tracking, go ahead and turn this off as well. After you've adjusted these settings to your liking, it's critical to save your changes. Look for a Done button, which could be located at the top or the bottom of the screen. Clicking this will apply the changes you've made, ensuring that your website will no longer display the cookie banner or engage in advanced tracking of your visitors. And there you have it, a straightforward, no-nonsense guide to turning off cookies on your GoDaddy website. Remember, while cookies can be useful for analyzing site traffic and improving user experience, there are times when you or your site visitors might prefer more privacy. Always consider these settings carefully and adjust them as needed to suit your website's goals and your audience's expectations. Thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more guides and tips on managing your online presence effectively.